Tesla's new $7 billion Cybertruck factory. As you are aware, the $7 billion Cybertruck factory that Tesla has built sets it apart from any other trucks on the market. It is unlike anything the automotive industry has ever seen. According to reports from Tesla's design leader, Franz Von Holzhausen, the Cybertruck will start to appear this year. This enormous factory will be used for manufacturing and production. What exactly is in this factory, then? 2 years beyond the original deadline for the eagerly anticipated pickup truck, Chief Executive Elon Musk disclosed in 2019, Tesla plans to begin Cybertruck mass production towards the end of 2023. In a 2019 announcement, Musk unveiled the Cybertruck, showing off its allegedly unbreakable armor glass windows having been broken.
It didn't go through, so that's a plus side.
Let's try the right.
Try that one, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, man.
It didn't go through. All right.
Since then, the corporation has pushed back the start of production 3 times, from late 2021 to late 2022, then to early 2023, and most recently to the mid-2023 deadline. With the launch of the Cybertruck, Tesla will be able to compete with electric pickups made by companies like Ford Motor Company and Rivian Automotive, both of whom have introduced models in still restricted quantities. Tesla acquired a certificate of compliance for the Tesla Cybertruck's emissions. PepsiCo will get delivery from Tesla by the end of 2022. According to Tesla, the drivetrain will last 1 million miles. The truck driver can view the road thanks to the high driving seat. The surroundings of the Cybertruck will be displayed on 2 screens. To maximize battery economy, the truck is also designed to be aerodynamic. The Tesla trucks have a drag coefficient of 0.38 CD, which indicates that they will perform well and almost twice as well as a typical diesel truck. Regenerative braking is another feature of the Tesla vehicles that will top off the battery and boost the range. It is never advisable to change the brake pads. The range of the Tesla trucks needs to be 500 miles. Although traveling downhill will also recharge the battery, traveling uphill uses more range. For the Tesla Cybertrucks, Tesla has developed an autonomous tire inflation system to extend the battery life. The Tesla trucks will be recharged at mega chargers, which are charging locations capable of producing electricity even more quickly than a Tesla supercharger. 400 miles of the range may be obtained from an 80% charge in around 30 minutes using a mega charger. These charges need to be completed much more quickly than a V3 supercharger. The Tesla truck should be able to carry a payload of roughly 80,000 pounds. It is a Class 8 truck as a result. Tesla Cybertrucks will be constructed by Giga Texas. The traditional truck manufacturers have been hesitant to sell electric vehicles, face competition from the $3.6 billion investment, which also includes a new battery factory. Tesla plans to construct a facility in northern Nevada to produce electric semi-trucks. At an existing Tesla facility east of Reno, the factory will bring 3,000 additional workers along with a new battery manufacturing facility. Tesla announced that it would invest $3.6 billion in the truck facility and the new factory to create the most cutting-edge battery cells for the business. Building a plant demonstrates Tesla's commitment to the semi-truck, which it unveiled in 2017 but has only produced in small quantities so far. PepsiCo, Tesla's first client, received a few of the trucks in December. If the Tesla truck is a success, it may put existing truck manufacturers under the same strain as car makers did as a result of Tesla's electric cars and sport utility vehicles. The success of Tesla's vehicles spurred other automakers, including General Motors, Ford, Volkswagen, and others, to respond with their electric vehicles, completely changing the market. However, it is uncertain how quickly and how many truck customers will make the conversion to electric vehicles. Fleet operators carefully consider the cost of fuel, maintenance, and driver downtime when determining the cost of ownership of the cars that they purchase. Tesla Semi will certainly be more expensive to purchase than a typical heavy vehicle, and buyers will only find it appealing if they believe they can offset the price difference with a lower fuel and maintenance cost. With a 500-mile advertised range, Tesla's truck is most likely best suited for very short distances. For trucks, there is no extensive charging infrastructure. The Semi is anticipated to appeal mostly to clients who operate vehicles from depots, where they may charge overnight until a network is established. According to job listings viewed by Electrek, Tesla has begun hiring personnel exclusively for the Gigafactory Texas manufacture of the Cybertruck. Tesla stated that the electric pickup truck would hit the market by the end of 2021 when it first announced the Cybertruck in 2019. As the deadline drew near, the company announced that production had been delayed until 2022. Later, Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated that production of the electric pickup truck was planned to begin at the Gigafactory in Texas in late 2022. It seemed plausible that the production schedule for the Cybertruck could be pushed back, given the emphasis on getting the Model Y into production at the facility, which was also delayed. In June, Musk stated that Tesla is looking for production to begin in the middle of 2023. In March 2022, it was revealed that Tesla wants to finish Cybertruck development this year for production in 2023. Over the past 6 months, Tesla has maintained a mid-2023 schedule in its communications, and it is now beginning to take on a life of its own with the arrival of real manufacturing machinery tailored for the Cybertruck at the Gigafactory in Texas. Since the Cybertruck has been developed with an exoskeleton stainless steel body as opposed to the standard manner with a body frame and panels, this is anticipated to be a problem for Tesla. To manufacture the body of the electric pickup truck, the company has ordered the largest casting machine in the world. More than 10,000 Cybertruck electric pickups are anticipated to be delivered this year, according to Gary Black, a significant Tesla investor. The Tesla Cybertruck is arguably one of the most well-known pickup trucks in the global EV market. Due to its design and technical features, it is essentially unique in the electric pickup truck market. The general population has been calling for its coming for years, precisely for this reason. It is predicted to occur this year, in 2023. This is what Tesla has repeatedly said will happen. The Cybertruck will start production in 2023. The company also noted that although ramp-up production of the vast number of units will begin this year, it won't reach its full capacity until the beginning of 2024. To put it another way, based on Tesla's admissions, even the firm likely finds it challenging to meet 2023 with 10,000 Cybertruck deliveries. According to a recent report, the Tesla Cybertruck is essentially ready to start production because the company has already acquired the now famous GigaPress, the largest press cast in the world that will shape the car's structure. Having said that, even though general manufacture could have started, there are still numerous parts, details, and other crucial components that the brand must finish before putting the car on the road, which accounts for the lengthy delay. Many of the metal casting, welding, and fabrication specialists that Tesla recently hosted in Austin for the Cybertruck came from China, where certain vehicles are currently produced similarly, albeit on a lower scale and scope. This suggests that the production of huge units could go more swiftly than anticipated once the company gets the GigaPress squeezed and ready. Click on one of the 2 videos on the screen right now.